A very good evening to all my dear students. I'm here with you to share the latest updates that I have for you that I really want to discuss with you. The first thing is about the Google Forms. Yesterday I had requested everybody to fill that particular form so that I can further share that information with the Honorable Chief Justice of India, that these see the huge number of parents and students are coming forward to raise their concerns. So kindly take cognizance on our issue and take the particular PIL that I have filed for the cancellation of examinations. Kindly put that particular matter for hearing. So can you imagine, I have received more than 80,000 responses through that Google form, wherein parents and students have come forward and they have submitted their data. And in that further 80,000, more than 40,000 forms that has data that has been submitted, that has been done by parents. So earlier there were some rumors and people were raising questions that why parents are not coming forward. Is there only students who are active on Twitter, social media platforms, and they're not getting support even of their parents, and they are not willing to study? So those were baseless arguments, and this data proves that parents are equally concerned and they are not in support of offline examinations at all, and now their voice is also getting highlighted. So that is a very positive thing, I think, for all of us, because our goal is not to defeat the government. Our goal is to protect our lives, because right now the situation is not conducive to hold the offline examinations. So we are raising a genuine concern and this voice has to be heard. We're not demanding anything illegal or which can't be considered. So this is something very genuine. Apart from that, one more thing. Today I have received hundreds of emails, and not just from students but from parents, and they have made a proper representation through a letter. They have made the annexures, they have enclosed their representation, and they have copied it to the Honorable Supreme Court directly. So they are coming forward very strongly with a very, very strong voice. So that is also very positive happening. So I'm just sharing with you all the positive things that are coming in our favor. A lot of people. Apart from that, one thing, because yesterday I had drafted a letter, the representation on behalf of all the parents, that will be submitted by the parents tomorrow, because now a lot of parents are coming forward and they are also equally eager and coming forward to support the cause, and they also want that our petition should be heard at the earliest. So that will be submitted tomorrow. So I'll share whatsoever will be the update in that respect with with all of you tomorrow. We have a very, very huge team and we all are working together, and this unity, that is actually helping, and I am very, very positive and I'm optimistic that yes, certainly our voice will be heard and offline examinations will not be conducted. So stay positive, stay strong, and keep working with the same rigor. Please take care.